Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make prosthetics, and this is a very basic but it's effective, and I am using the NSP Medium clay from Chavant. All the materials are stated in the description below. Okay, I'm using Special Effects Guide of Real Human Wound and Injuries book to know what the real injuries are. Sometimes it's very intense, like you see, but it's always nice to see the real pictures. Now I'm making small amount of clay like a ball and press it in to the whiteboard. You can use another board, but I like to put it on a whiteboard. Sometimes I do on the black. For eyes, it's easy to use a white one. And I make sure to have enough thickness and try to make the outside blending with the finger. So this NSP clay, the medium, is in the beginning it's very hard, but when you warm up with your finger or oven, you will soften. Then once it's smoothed out, I use the sculpting tool. Also from different direction, it's nice to make all the angles to make it smooth. It's called Rake tools. And as it goes to the outside of the sculpture, you need to blend it into the board. This way, when you make the prosthetics, it blends into your skin. It's always important to make this way so you don't see the edge of the prosthetics. Now I'm using the sanding paper and use it to make the sculpture much smoother. By the way, this video is double the speed, so if you want to spend more time, you can spend as much as possible. Now I sprayed 99% alcohol, and NSP clay is oil based, and with the alcohol it gets melted a little bit so you can make it smoother. After that, I use my finger to make it even smoother and wipe all the melted clay and alcohol with the paper towel and make sure there's no residue. So I'm drawing this one. This is the side view, so the clay on top of the whiteboard and the edge needs to be smooth, blend into the board. Now using the smaller sculpting tool. That's the shape of the cut. If you don't know the look of the cuts, you can see the pictures. You can even go to the Google and see what's the real look. Sometimes you can use a bigger tools, you can use a smaller tool. It's up to you. sure there's no residue, small bit and pieces. And I use the alcohol again. And I'm using the chip brush, cut it in angle. Sometimes when you use the sculpting tool, it makes sharp edges, so using the chip brush to make it smoother. Now, if you feel it's a good shape, use this is a cap brush. Cap brush will help you to create the human skin texture. If you look at your skin, you know how it looks like. Make sure not to do one direction. Make sure you use the different directions so all the lines goes cross over. After that, you use the baby powder. This one will make the sculpture smoother, and also the cap brush will create another hard edges and hard shape, so powder and the brush will make it a softer texture. Alright, if you are satisfied with the shape, you spray the sealer. I use crystal clear first, 2 layers, then after that, darling spray. Now, time to make a mold.